everyone, this is Teacher Lauren again. Now, today we are going to review the letter U sound. Say it again. Letter U sound. Okay. Now, let's say the words. Umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. This one. Umpire. Umpire. This one, remember this person? Uncle. Uncle. Yeah. This one, up. Up. Now, let's say the sentence. This is up. This is up. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Remember, an umbrella, not an umbrella. Okay? And this is an umpire. This is an umpire. This is an uncle. This is an uncle. Okay, goodbye.